It's a very nice oregano. Eh, very healthy. They are very healthy. See. It's oregano. Yeah, you can use this for little kids for their cough. See? And